Welcome, flip clock fans. I had done a review of this clock about 45 days ago. That's a weird kind of period there to wait to go ahead and do a subsequent follow-up. And also someone had said, hey, they were surprised I didn't take it apart. So we're going to do that too. So 45 days in, the clock is still running just fine. It keeps really good time. You probably can't hear that, but it makes a little bit of noise. And if I put it up to the microphone here, you may be able to hear that. I don't think that would disturb you if it was on your nightstand. So, again, my verdict on this clock was I really didn't think it'd be worth the time. It's less than $30. It's kind of a cute looking little clock. So how do you take it apart? These knobs just pull straight off, like so. And then you just pry this off. I don't have any idea what's in here. Okay, that right there is going to be the thing that makes the noise. So when you set the alarm, yeah. Oh. Very insistent. All right. So what are you looking at here? It's just a regular, it looks like a quartz clock in there. It's just a quartz clock that runs the flip clock. Okay, how do I get in there? Well, let's imagine we'd have to loosen it up here. I don't know what's to be gained by doing this. It's just that I was challenged to do it, so we're doing it. We're going to see what's going on in there. Well, not really challenged. I mean, that's not going to be that hard. It's not going to be that hard, he says. I don't think taking that off is going to do anything, but we'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, I'm liable to screw it up. It's secured pretty tightly in there. I don't want to break it loose. I'm just going to get it out. Let's see. Oh. All right. Huh. Nicely shielded there. I really don't want to break this loose. I don't know that there's anything to be gained there. So again, the feeling persists that well, you know, frankly, it's a cheaply made clock. The plastic is very flimsy. So cheaply in the sense of it's not high quality materials. it just feels real light. So we don't really know how long this is going to last. Again, I don't know there would be any benefit to try to pull this off. It looks like yeah, I'm not going to get in there and break it. But again, that's just a quartz clock that would probably do just as well in a regular hands clock, you know, clock with hands. And it does start up right away. So hopefully this is a good one. I know there's other clocks that have these type of mechanisms that have problems. The left Amsterdam is one of them. It gets real janky in there, and it's because there has to be a mechanism to start it the right direction. So I don't know. I hope this thing works. I wonder if this would work in the left Amsterdam. Probably not. It probably doesn't have enough torque. Anyway, all right. Anyway, there's a look on the inside. I could take it down further, but I don't think there's anything to be gained here. It's still working. So we'll take another look at it probably, 6 months or maybe even a year later to see where we're at on this. So again, I haven't really changed my opinion on it. If you've got the money to spend, you're 1/3 of the way to a retro clock, or even 1/3 of the way to the Twemco, which again, on the face of it, looks expensive for a clock. If you look at the Twemco version, that looks very similar to this. That's around $90. That seems like a lot, but it's going to probably be a higher quality device. So there it is. 45 days on. It's still running. I haven't broke it yet. Well, there it is. Thanks for taking the time.